Hi, my name is Jiong. Today I want to talk a topic about deadlock, bankers allowing plus safety allowing. Now I want to explain a question about safe state with additional requests. Consider a system with 5 processes P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5, and 3 results R1, R2, and R3. The following table indicates the maximum requirement, current allocation, and available for this result. The max of P1 is 1073, P2 is 944, P3 is 832, P4 is 423, P5 is 332. While allocation of P1 is 320, P2 is 132, P3 is 220, P4 is 301, P5 is 011. Then the available is 432. First question. Determine the new matrix for system. The formula of new matrix is mass minus allocation. At P1, in R1, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. In R2, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. In R3, 3 minus 0 equal to 3. So our answer of P1 is 753. At P2, in R1, 9 minus 1 equal to 8. In R2, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. In R3, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So answer of P2 is 812. At P3, in R1, 8 minus 2 equal to 6. In R2, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. In R3, so answer of P3 is 612. At P4, in R1, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. In R2, 2 minus 0 equals to 2. In R3, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So answer of P4 is 122. At P5, in R1, 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 3 minus 1 equals to 2 in R2. In R3, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So answer of P5 is 321. Second question. Determine whether the system is in a safe condition. Is true, provided the allocation sequence. After calculation, need must less than or equal to available. If false, go to next process. While it's true, calculate a new available and go to next process. The formula of new available is allocation plus available. The need P1 753 is not equal or less than available 432. So go to next process of P2. A need P2 812 also not equal or less than 432. So go to next process of P3. Need P3 612 also not less than or equal to 432. So go to next process of P4. Need matrix 122 is less than or equal to 432. So calculate a new available. Allocation of P4 301 plus 432 equal to 733. Now go to next process. The need P5 321 is equal and less than 733. So calculate a new available. Allocation of P5 011 plus 733 equal to 744. Now return to a process P1. The 753 is not less than or equal to 744. Then go to next process of P2. 812 also not less than or equal to 744. So go to next process of P3. 612 is less than or equal to 744. Now calculate available. The allocation of P3220 plus 7444 equal to 964. Now return to a process of P1 because process P4 and P5 is calculated already. 753 is equal and less than 964. So calculate a new available. Allocation of P1 320 plus 964 equal to 1284. Now go to next process of P2. 812 is less than or equal to 1284 is now calculate the last available. The allocation of P2132 plus 1284 equal to 13 11 16. The conclusion, this shall not lead to a deadlock with the set sequence execution P4 to P5 to P3 to P1 to P2. So this is a safe state. Last question. If P4 requests for additional instance 101, can this request be granted? Justify your answer. First, you might use a result request allowing. Step 1. The additional request must less than or equal to P4 need. So a request 101 is less than or equal to need for P4 122. Step 2. The additional request also must be less than or equal to available. So request 101 also can less than or equal to 432. Now we calculate a new allocation, a new need. The formula of new allocation is original allocation plus additional request, while formula and new need is max minus new allocation. So we calculate a new allocation of P4. The original allocation 301 plus additional request 101 equal to 402. Now calculate a new need of P4. 423 minus 402 equal to 021. So the need matrix of P4 is added in there. Lastly, calculate a new available or the formula of new available is original available minus addition request. So 432 minus 101 equal to 331. Now we calculate for this system. First we go to process with P1. 753 is not equal and less than 331. Now go to next process of P2. 812 is not equal and or less than 331. Now go to next process of P3. 612 also not less than or equal to 331. Now go to next process of P4. 021 is less than or equal to 331. So calculate a new available. 402 plus 331 to 733. Now go to next process of P5. 321 is less than or equal to 733. Now calculate available. 011 plus 733 to 744. Now return to P1. 753 is not less than or equal to 744. Now go to next process of P2. 812 also not equal or less than 744. Now go to next process of P3. 612 is equal to 744. Now calculate a new available. 220 plus 744 equal to 964. Now return to process of P1. 753 is less than or equal to 964. So calculator available. 320 plus 964 equal to 128484. Now go to next process. P2 812 is less than or equal to 1284. Now calculate a new available. 132 plus 1284 to equal to 13, 11, 16. In conclusion, additional request 101 can be granted as there is a set sequence P4, P5, P3, P1, P2, and thus deadlock can be avoided. Now I explained it already. Thank you.
Good day, Miss Chandraka. This is the question I create for my group. As you can see here, to find the total instance for each resources by finding the total allocation and plus the available for R1. And you got 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 10 and plus 3. And for R2, you get the total allocation as well, and then plus R2 available, and you got 14. And for R3, you got 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 5 plus R3 in the available is equal to 7. For next question, to find the need is equal max minus allocation, which is for R1 max minus 4 and 7 minus 2, 6 minus 3 and 5 minus 1. So we got 0, 5, 3, 1. And you're going to do the same for R2 and R3 as well. So 4 minus 3, 4 minus 2. So max minus allocation. And 5 minus 3, 6 minus 1. And for R3, 5 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. So we got this answer. And for C, you to find whether the system is in a safe condition or not, it should provide the allocation sequence by. So you got to find the need if the available is larger than the need or not. So to from you get from this table, you write down P1 015 if and let's see the available here 352. So 352 2 is not larger than 5, so it's false. So we're gonna try P2 and then 5213. 5 and 2 is larger than 2 1, so it's gonna be false as well. For P3 322 352 is larger, so it's true. You have to take P3 allocation and plus the available. So we'll go to this table. We went to P3 and see the allocation. So it's 331. So we take the 331 and add it into the available. So it's gonna be 683. And then you take this 683 into the available for the next, which is P4. So P4 in the need here, need table, sorry, 452. You see if it's larger or not. So 683 is larger than 452, so it's true. And you're gonna take P4 allocation again and add up into the available, this available. So it's gonna be 794. So we go back to P1 since it's false just now. So go back to P1 and then to see if it's larger or not. So now 794 is larger than 015, so it's true. Then you take the P1 allocation as well, which is 430, and you add it into the available, so it's equals to 11, 12, 4. And then you go P2, 421, and available is still larger than P2, so it's true. And then the above allocation will lead to a safe state because it's all true now. Okay, so for D, P1 request for other instance which is 011. So we must justify the answers. So for additional requests, take 011, the new additional request. Then we go take P3 from need table, so which is 322, and it's bigger, so it's true. And then the next one is we take available to, to see if it's larger than 011. Yes, it is larger, and it's true. So for allocation, you must take the whole allocation and add new add the new addition request. So you take allocation from the top table here. Yeah, you add 0, 1 into all the numbers, like not all, but for 0 you add into R1. So 4 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So R2 is just plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So the new table is, which is like this. So for need, you take um, take decrease. Okay, you take need minus addition request. So which is this table, you minus 0, 1, 1. So you see 1, 2, 2, 5 here, you minus the 1 in the middle, so which is become 0, 1, 1, 4. So and then for the need here, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is 0, equal to 4, 0, 1, 1. For the new available, you must take the old available minus the additional request as well. So 352 just now, so minus 0, 1 is equals to 341. Then yeah, and then P1 additional request cannot be granted because it's also no process can be granted or executed.